Hello, I'm Joanna from Edible Ornamentals, and I'm here today to talk to you about repotting plants. Now, repotting plants is one of the most beneficial things that you can do for your chilli plants. The bigger the root system, the bigger the plant, the more fruits you're going to get from your chilli. And you'll know that it's time to repot your plant because you'll see the roots coming out of the drainage hole. So this is a good tip. Or what you'll find is that the plant keeps falling over. So that they're both good indicators of repotting your plant. So what you should do is just tap the plant, squash it a little bit just to loosen up that compost and take the plant out, and you'll see what an amazing root system this has. Now you can try and prise away these roots, so don't worry about it, it'll be absolutely fine, because when plants are little seedlings you should not touch the roots, but the plants are a little bit bigger now, a little bit sturdier, so just prise them out, and that will give the plant a bit of a head start. Put a little bit of compost into the pot, into the bottom of the pot. Now this is a 1 litre pot and we're going into a 3 litre pot. When you repot gradually. Don't go from a small pot to a big pot because the plant won't do anything. The trigger for it to start fruiting is when the root system touches the edge of the pot. The plant thinks that it's come to end of life and it thinks, okay, I'm not going to do anything else, so my purpose is to reproduce myself by setting the seeds. So that's why you should repot on a regular basis. And then just fill it in. Now when you use compost, do use good quality compost. It does make a difference. So just pop that compost in there. Just make sure it's all down the sides. And give it a good water. And that's it. Doesn't that look amazing? That looks so much better already, guys. So any further questions, just message us, email us. We'll give you the contact details. Take care and keep it hot.